Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial, and this is about how to Conyo like an Ilonggo. But before that, disclaimer! I know for a fact that Ilonggo refers to people residing in Iloilo and Hiligaynon is our language. But since the Ilonggo word has a higher search in YouTube, I choose the Ilonggo word. Please open up your mind and don't judge. Okay, let's start. The first thing you need to know is about our tone. So in English, if it's I hate you, I loathe you. In Hiligaynon, it's I hate you, I loathe you, something like that. Let's start. Number 1. All you need to do is to speak directly in English and add the word bala on the last line. Just for example, let's go to the mall, bala. The breakfast is ready, bala. Today is the birthday of our amiga, bala. That's it. The second thing you need to know is when you're asking a question, you just need to add how, H-A-W. Okay, just for example, how much is your Gucci bag? How much is the fare? How far is Lakamun? How? Something like that. Number 3. The third thing you need to know about how to Conyo like an Ilonggo is you need to start with ahay when you empathize on something. Just like this. Ahay, it's a good movie, no? Ahay, I'm so sad. I feel so sorry for you. And number 4. The fourth thing you need to know about how to Conyo like an Ilonggo is you need to put anay on the last line if you are planning to do something else before you do something. Just like this. I'm going to take a shower, anay. Let's eat, bala anay. Okay, so that's all for our tutorial. Sometimes you need to mix up some things like bala anay, bala how, or ahay, bala anay. Just like this. Ahay, that's so sad. Let's go to the mall, bala anay. Something like that. You can mix up all of those things, you know, in this tutorial. So I hope this is helpful for foreigners. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If nag-have fun ka mo bala sa akong video, please comment down below, tag your friends, and maybe makarelate sila sa akong nga ginhambal, and share this video if you love it, and react makamobi if namiyan ka mo, please do subscribe. Wala shameless vlog. Bye bye.